Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to write prompts that will generate professional quality YouTube scripts that actually sound like you, engage your audience, and save you hours of work. Let's dive in. Think of it like this. You're not just asking for a script, you're having a conversation with a collaborator who needs to understand your channel, your audience, and your unique style. Start every prompt with context. Tell the AI about your channel's niche, your typical video length, and your audience demographics. For example, instead of saying, write a script about productivity, you'd say, I run a productivity channel for college students aged 18 to 24. My videos are usually 8 to 12 minutes long with a casual, encouraging tone. Next comes your goal. Be specific about what this particular video needs to accomplish. Are you explaining a concept, reviewing a product, or telling a story? Each requires a different structure. Finally, add constraints. These are the guardrails that make the output actually usable.
Specify things like include 3 main points, add natural transition phrases, or leave placeholders for B-roll suggestions. This is what separates amateur prompts from professional ones. Now let me show you some techniques that are working incredibly well in 2026. First technique is iterative refinement. Don't expect perfection on the first try. Start with a basic script request. Then ask the AI to adjust the tone, add humor, or restructure sections.
You might say, now rewrite the introduction to be more intriguing, or make section 2 more conversational, like I'm talking to a friend. Second, use example-based prompting. If you have a previous script you loved, paste a portion of it into your prompt and say, match this tone and pacing style. This helps the AI understand your voice way better than generic descriptions like be engaging or sound professional. Third technique, and this one's a game changer, is asking for structural scaffolding first. Before generating the full script, ask the AI to outline the video structure with timestamps, main points, and hook ideas. Review that outline, make adjustments, and then ask the AI to flesh out each section. This prevents you from getting a beautifully written script that doesn't actually work for your format. Fourth, leverage the AI's current capabilities for audience analysis. You can paste comments from your recent videos or describe your audience's common questions, then ask the AI to address those specific pain points in the script. This creates content that resonates because it's directly responding to what your viewers actually care about. Here are some advanced strategies that separate good AI assistant scripts from great ones. Use what I call personality injection prompts. After generating a script, ask the AI to identify places where you can add personal anecdotes, then write those sections yourself. The AI handles the structure and information, while you add the authenticity that keeps viewers coming back. Another powerful approach is multi-modal thinking. Since AI in 2026 can process images and understand visual context, describe your filming setup or typical editing style in your prompt. You might say, I usually sit at a desk with graphics appearing on screen, so include natural pauses where graphics would enhance understanding. This creates scripts that work with your production workflow, not against it. Also, consider creating a master prompt template for your channel. This is a saved prompt that includes all your standard context, your style guidelines, and your preferred script format. Then, for each new video, you just add the specific topic and goals. This consistency helps build a recognizable voice across all your content. Finally, remember that AI is a tool for amplification, not replacement. The best scripts in 2026 come from creators who use AI to handle the heavy lifting of structure and research, while they focus on adding personality, unique insights, and creative flourishes that only a human can provide. So there you have it, a complete framework for writing prompts that generate professional YouTube scripts in 2026. The key takeaway is this: treat your AI prompts like a briefing document for a collaborator. The more context, clarity, and constraints you provide, the better your results will be. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more content creation tips. Drop a comment below with your biggest prompt writing challenge, and I'll try to address it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.